My hairline was super high and I was always very uncomfortable with it. I wasn't confident with it. Like, I didn't feel comfortable pulling my hair back in a ponytail. As simple as that sounds, it wasn't for me.
I've always had this kind of little cowlick right here, and I just wanted to sort of round out my corners and just add more balance and symmetry to my face.
It was also something I was kind of teased for in high school. It was like, only thing people would really tease me about was like, oh, I have a super big forehead, you know? And obviously that's something that at the time, before I even started looking up hair restoration, I didn't even know that it was a possibility to bring your hairline forward. So it's just something that I thought internally that I just had to deal with. It just makes you feel empowered.
It's very natural, not much of a difference where anyone would notice anything. And I just feel like they're more full.
I came back the next day, I believe, to get my hair washed, which was nice. And I was given like special tools, like a sponge to wash my hair and stuff like that. So overall, I'm happy and I definitely recommend Dr. Jae Pak.